Let's talk about flow. So, oftentimes people say they want money, but there's this control aspect. How much is coming in and how quickly is it coming in? Because there can be a feeling of overwhelm if money comes in huge amounts. What do I do with it? How much responsibility is involved with this much money? And so you unconsciously try to control the flow of money. And that actually causes such a tightness in it that it can become a trickle instead of a stream. And really, what you want is a river or even a tidal wave. So, when you're worried about responsibility, when you're worried about overwhelm, all of that, anything that's, again, there's that emotional impact aspect, you want to let that go. Just say money's going to flow. And if it comes in big amounts, I'll just deal with it. And we think that more money means more responsibility, but you actually have to be more responsible when you have less money because you have to allocate it to specific things so you can keep going. When you have more than enough money, you can take care of all the necessities, and then you have extra to just do with as you please. So get into flow.